Megan from Admissions here. I have some small step-by-steps to help you take your next giant leap. In this episode, I'll show you how to check your Purdue email. There are two ways to easily access your Purdue email. First, from the purdue.edu homepage, scroll down to the bottom and select Office 365. From there, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password you created during the Student Career Account setup process. Once you hit sign in, you'll be taken to the Office 365 dashboard and can now access your email using the Outlook application found on the left-hand side. Another, even simpler way is to go to the purdue.edu homepage, scroll down, and select Outlook. As an admitted student, all critical information will be sent to you using this address and your personal email, so be sure to check it frequently.